Good morning, children. Sairam. How are you all? Wow, good. I'm so happy, children. You're sending all the homeworks. Yes, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. And few are not sending. I know. But please send now. Okay? Very good. Okay? Shall we go for today's naughty learning? Yes? Who are all ready? Just show thumbs up. Yes? Good. That's great. So today we are going to learn alphabet. What? Alphabet. Yes? Yes. See, there are 26 alphabets. Correct? How many? 26 alphabet. So what are all they? Yes? You want to sing the rhyme? Yes. Okay. Chalo, sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Y and Z. Sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C, D. Wow! Clap, 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 clap. Good. Very nice. See, children, tell me one thing. Why all letters are not in same color? Why? See, we can see 4 different colors. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Black color is there, blue color is there, red color is there, and dark indigo color is also there. Now, why? Because that blue colors are completed. See, what are all they? I, K, L, V, W, X, Z are completed. Wow, we have completed so many letters, na? Very good. Pat yourself, children. Pat yourself like this. Pat like this. It means pat yourself. Well done, my dear sweet children. Well done. Keep it up. So shall we revise it once? Yes. What we saw first? Small L. Yes. L for lamp. What is this? I. I for ice cream. Wow. V for vase. Remember? V for vase. You repeat with me, children. W for watch. W for watch. You write with me. Yes, write in the air. W for watch. Done? Okay. Next. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Good. K for kite. What is it? K for kite. Who you all likes to fly kite? We all will do. Yes? That's perfect. Good. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Got it? Yes or no? That's good, my dear. See here. Small I, small k, small L, small v, small w, small x, small z. All done. Wow, we have completed. So smart. Very good, my sweet children. So nice. That's perfect. Now we are going to pick out the letter which is in red in color. Which one? O. What is it? O. See, keep your face like this. Everyone. I want everyone. Sit. Sit. Everyone. All of you. My sweet children. Sit. Yes. Come in front of me. That's good. What we are going to see? Oh. See how teacher is telling? Oh. How our mouth is going? Say with me. Oh. It's going round and round. Yes? Say. Oh. Correct? Repeat with me. Oh. What is it? Oh. Okay. See how our face is? Oh. Circle? Yes? Few are having circle. Round faces? Yes. So, what letter? How? Oh. So, next time if you say oh, you should tell like this only. Okay? Yes. You like it? Yes, I like it, children. Okay? I know my children will like this. Yes or no? I want thumbs up like this. Say. Yes, teacher. Say. Oh. How? Oh. Perfect. Shall we go? Yes? We just took out capital O. See how it is. See, they are also going to catch capital O. So we will say na, okay mama, okay teacher. So when you are saying okay, the first letter what it comes? O. That O. Yes. Good. What is it in the small box? It's small O. What is it? Small O. Got it? Yes or no? So we are taking only small O now. Ready? We are taking only small O. Yes, lovely children. So smart. O for olive. What is it? Olives. You mean what is olive? How many of you like to eat pasta? You know, in making pasta, in that sauce, black olives are used to make pasta sauce. Yes? So next time when you eat pasta, you will say, Mama, black olive is there in the sauce. Yes or no? Yes. See, we have olive oil also. What? Olive oil. Mama will be using it in kitchen for cooking. So next time if you see this spelling, you will say, Mama, this is olive. But that can is called olive oil. That extract, that is called olive oil. Oil is made out of this olives. So what is it? O for olive. What is it? O for olive. Correct. What is that? Where they both are going? Huh? Ask them where are you going? Ask with me. Where are you going? They didn't tell? We will find out. Yes? Yes, we will find out. See, they are going to see octopus. Where they are going? They are going to see octopus. Where can you see octopus? In a waterland. Yes, we can see. Octopus will be there under the sea. See where it is? It is under the sea with other fishes. You can see octopus very rarely in an aquarium or in the waterlands. What is it? Waterland or aquarium. Okay? Yes? So they both are going to see octopus. See the shape of octopus. Nice, na? Yes, so now we understood where they were going. They are going to see octopus. Wow, see, these both are going to see owl. What is it? Owl. You know the nickname of owl? Owl is the night watchman. It won't sleep in the night. During daytime, it will sleep. During night, it will wake up. See owl's eyes. बहुत ना बड़ा बड़ा eyes, no? Huh? Oh, we will all sleep at night. Yes, but owl will not sleep at night. So it is called as night watchman. What is it? Night watchman. What is it? Owl. O for owl. Say with me. O for owl. Good. Wow. What is this? It's ostrich. See how it is there? It has a long neck. Yes. Small long neck na? We are not having. No, don't try. Huh? We are not having that. What is this? Ostrich. How you should say? Ostrich. Because you should shake your neck. See? Its neck is na bada hai na? Very long. Yes or no? So we should say ostrich. Say with me. Ostrich. O for ostrich. Where ostriches are found? Not here. It's very famous in Australia and cold places. Okay. What is this? O for ostrich. Wow. Very lovely. What flower? Orchid flower. What is it? Orchid flower. It smells very nicely. Very rare to get. Okay. This is called orchid. What is that? Orchid. How many of you love flowers? Aha, that's nice. So cute. See, orchid is very nice, na? Feel very happy when you see flowers? Yes or no? I feel very happy when I see flowers. Yes? If you see a rose, you will feel happy. The same way, if I see any flower, we will feel happy. It makes us smile. And as you said in the poem, so sweet smell. Smell so sweet. Yes? Yes. Every flower have its own smell. It feeds very nicely. Got it? So what is this? O for orchid. What is this? O for orchid flower. See, do like this. Flower. It's opening, right? Flower. Keep like this. Close your hands. Both the sides. See, I am closing both the hands. Both the sides. Close. And shall we open? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Flower. What is it? Flower. See, close all your fingers. Okay? And like this. Okay? Now, open. 1, 2, 3. Wow. What is it? Flower. What flower? Orchid. This is called orchid flower. What is it? Orchid flower. Okay? Lovely. What is this? Orbit. What is this? Orbit. Circles, it rounds the earth and the stars. See? It is getting rounds. Yes? This is called orbit. You can't see in the sky. Orbits can be seen in the satellites. Seen in the satellites. When you become astronaut, you can tell me what is orbit, what is there inside it. There are so much to learn about it. Okay? So now first we will learn O for orbit. What is it? O for orbit. What is it? O for orbit. Yes, you're all going to tell this to me. Yes, children? Wow, I know my children are very smart. Good. After study, if we feel thirsty, what we can have? O for orange. You remember? You started eating fruits? Yes? That's sweet of you, children. O for orange. See, that is also O. O for orange. What is it? O for orange. Eat it? That's good. See, when it is raining, you can eat in the afternoon time. Okay? Yes? Yes. So smart. What is this? O for origami. It means, see, we can take a craft paper and do any pictures out of it. See, this is an origami. What is it? See, they both are happy. Why? They did this origami crane. Origami crane. What is an origami? A sheet. You can make that sheet to a particular shape, a bird, anything, by using the craft paper. What is it? It's an origami. What is it? Origami. Let's see who are all going to do this and show to me. Yes? Will you show do it? That's nice. So what all we saw? O for olives, orchid flower, ostrich, owl, origami. What is it? One more. Orange and orbit. Children, don't forget orbit. Okay? At this small age, you are learning about orbit. Feel happy. Yes. When you see, when anyone is talking, you can say, yes, I know orbit. What is it? Orbit. The same way. Okay. Very nice, children. So smart. What activity we are going to do? Ready? Yes? Good. So what activity? What letter we saw? O. How you are going to say? O. See how teacher is telling? O. The same way. Okay? Go to your rooms. Okay? And take the object which are all O showing. Which are all showing? O. O for orange. Any picture you have? If you have orbit picture, please show it to me, saying O for orbit. Yes, you are going to do this to me. O for orange. If you know to do origami, you can show this. Teacher, O for origami. And what picture you are going to do? O for any picture. Okay, it should have O. O for orange. Go to that picture. Starts with O. What is it? Starting with O. Okay? And say O for that's a particular picture or particular object. Yes, you can tell object also. Yes, why everything is an object. Correct? So O for orange, O for orbit, or O for if you have octopus doll, you can show me. Yes, that's soft toy. Or O for octopus. If you have, you can show me. So I'm not going to show. You are going to show this to me. Yes. So I'm waiting for my children to show the O pictures. How many you are going to show me? Itna stars. How many stars you want? You are going to show me that pictures. Okay. If you show me one picture, I will give you 5 star. Yes. That's a spread. Yes or no, children? Yes. Show me. I'll give you star. Yes. You want star? Then you're going to show me. Okay. How you should say. How you told the previous things. That K. V for vase. K for key. W for watch. You showed me na. The same way. You're going to say this with any of the picture. O for picture. O for orange. O for orbit. O for octopus. Any picture or any toy if you have, you are going to show me. Yes, children? Wow, great. I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting for my children's activity. Got it? Perfect. So, what we learned today? It's small O. What is it? Small O. See, when we write in our notebook, it will be like this. Inside the blue line. Inside the blue lines. See, it is in between the blue lines. O. See, can you see? Yes, this is a blue line. O. Yes, O is in between the blue line. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So, how it will be? In small O will be in the two blue lines. O. Got it? Good. Okay. So, I will show you how to write now. Okay. You're all ready? Yes? Yes. Even I am ready. I am going to write now. Ready? How it will be? You're ready or not, children? Ready? Shall we write? See. What is it? Small O. See, in between the blue lines. Small O. See, very straight in between the blue lines. What is it? Small O. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me loudly, children. I can't hear you. Tell me loudly. Yes, teacher. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So, what you're going to do? You're going to write small O and the activity O for object. Object for O. Got it? You're going to send this picture to me. Will you do this? Yes? Yes, I'm waiting. Teacher is waiting for my lovely children. Okay? Bye, children. Take care. Stay safe. Listen to parents. Okay? No masti. Less masti. Okay? Yes? Okay. Bye, children. Take care. Bye-bye.